Well, what you'll see when you're out there harvesting is that, number one, with that high moisture grain, you know it takes more power, you know it takes more time to run that through the combine. And it's a necessity. In today's farming day and age, the farms are getting bigger, more acres, meaning you have to start earlier. So if you're starting earlier and you have higher moisture grain and your machine is struggling, the fix to that is adding that safe power. We know how much power can add to that machine that will still keep it safe and still keep it within manufacturer specs. So you can add that early in the season, be able to achieve a higher ground speed, lower engine loads, more safe RPM ratings. Furthermore, later in the year, what we're seeing is that as farming continues to progress, higher and higher yields. And not only higher and higher yields, but stronger plants. What I mean by that is if you combine soybeans, you know what a green stemmed soybean is like. When you get into those even later in the year, they're stringy. They take a whole lot more room and power to process through that combine. Guys complain about it year after year after year. The fix to that is our power addition. It's very simple. We get a reading on your machine. We build a file for it that we know is safe. You add that power. Takes about 15 minutes to install. You get out, you're off and running, and your machine's back to where it was, how you were used to it running, as if the stems weren't green, as if the plants weren't high moisture.